How to use Society6 as a complete beginner. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Society6 and how you can use this website to earn a passive income if you want to. Now, Society6 is a print-on-demand website. What that basically means is that you have to upload your artworks, and then those artworks are printed on different products, and then those products are sold online. And when those products are sold, and a percentage of that sale is commissioned to you. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to society6.com. So once we're over here on this website, as you can see, we have different products over here that have different artworks printed on them. And if we scroll down below, we can see that we have framed prints, we have art prints, we have phone cases, pillows, and bags. So as you can see that no product is limited to Society6, so we can upload our artwork and they will be printed on different products, as I've shown you, on any type of product basically. So now that you know a little bit about this website, let's just simply sign up. So to sign up on Society6, all you have to do is simply come over at the top right here, hover your mouse over on the join button or /login button, and once you do that, this pop-up will come up, and over here all you have to do is click on sign up. And once we click on sign up, as you can see, this is how it will look like, and in front of us we have two choices. We are here to discover art, or we are here to upload art. Now, depending upon your choice, you will move on with the video. So basically what these two options mean is that if you want to be a seller or a buyer. So let's just go ahead and click on buyer, and over here, as you can see, we have to enter in a little bit of details. We have to create a username, we have to create a display name, we have to enter in our email and then a password, and then just simply click on sign up. And down below we have two check boxes. If you want, you can check them. If you don't want, you can leave them out. What they basically are is that if they want to receive some sort of emails or newsletters from Society6, then you can simply check these boxes and you will receive them. If you don't want, just simply uncheck them and just simply click on sign up after you've entered in all your details, and then we can move on with the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. So as you can see, I have signed up on this website, and over here this is how my account looks like. And as you might have saw this, you have to get verified, otherwise you won't be sell your artworks as prints and other products on Society6. So to get verified, all you have to do is click on get verified, and then all you have to do is verify your identity. Now to get verified, all you have to do is link your PayPal account to it. So if you have a PayPal account, you can just simply verify your identity. If you want to simply buy stuff, you can just simply skip this process. But if you want to sell your artwork as products or print on demands, you have to verify your identity. And if you don't want to sell artworks, then just simply click on skip this for now. Now once we're over here, let's just check out some artworks, and I'm going to show you how it basically is done. So click on check out great artwork. Now over here, as you can see, we have all sorts of different artworks, guys, and Society6 uses these artworks on their products. So let's just go ahead and search for some artworks. So at the top right here, we have a few different options. We have wall arts, we have home decors, furnitures, bed and bath, tabletops, and many more. So let's just go ahead and click on apparels and bags, and over here let's just check out a few different t-shirts. So click on t-shirts, and over here, as you can see, we have some different types of shirts with different artwork, and I have to say I kind of like this one right here, the katana t-shirt. I think that's pretty sick. If you are interested, you can make a similar artwork and then sell it on Society6. And this one over here is also very nice, the Tokyo Streets sunrise t-shirts. So as you can see, these are very nice artworks. They're all going for around $15. They're having a sale right now, I think, and all the artworks are going around for $15. So how do you basically make your artworks and sell them online? So let's just go ahead and check out their blog. So at the top right here, we have the blog options. So click on it. So when we come over to the blog section over here, we will see that their blog section is basically telling us how we can create our own artwork. So if we look around, we can see they have a lot of different people telling us how we can start our own Illustrator course and stuff like that. So over here, as you can see, illustrators and fiber artist Nikki Dine's punched up pastel world. So as you can see, these are some of the features artists that are on Society6, and then down below we can see some of those creators telling us how we can learn Illustrator and be more creative and create our own artwork. such as over here, as you can see, how to get creative with the product shots on Instagram with Megan Wallace. So this person over here is telling us how we can create Instagram artwork for phone cases and other stuff. And this person over here is telling us how to build a seasonal marketing calendar for your art business. And this person over here, illustrator Kath Nash, on why no is a good word. As you can see, a lot of people, there are a lot of different blogs and a lot of different posts and a lot of different creators, and they all look legit and very, very talented. So you get the general idea. So now for some of you people that are watching this video, creating artwork might be easy because you're already really, really talented and you can create artwork. But for those people that are like me, that aren't talented and can't produce artworks, well, I have something for you. So what I want you guys to do is come over to Pinterest. And over here, all you have to do is search for cat t-shirt design. So once you search that up, you will see all these different t-shirts with different cat designs. So as you can see, we have this meow face over here. We have this "you are the cat's meow." We have all these different t-shirts and they all look really, really nice. So what I want you guys to do is pick out a shirt, copy that design, and then just put it on Society6 and start earning money. So try to find a design that is really, really popular and that really looks nice. Just this one over here, the human and the cat paw are fist bumping each other, and another one over here at the top I saw. Like, you can use this design, you can copy this design, upload it onto Society6, and they will print it on different products and then sell you. And that is basically the whole process. So for those of you who aren't talented, you can do it like this. You can find different designs online, copy them, and then use them in your products. So that is it for this video. And also guys, this process is really, really easy if you want to like earn a passive income. So I would really recommend it. So what are you guys waiting for? Just simply sign up on this website, connect your PayPal account, find some unique artwork, or try to create it on your own. I think that would be best, because then you will have a complete sense of accomplishment in your heart and in your mind and in your soul. So try to be creative, try to be focused. And before ending this video guys, I would like to mention that if for some reason you're having trouble with your PayPal account, or a country in which you live doesn't have PayPal, or PayPal doesn't support that country, another website that you guys can check out is redbubble.com. Now redbubble.com is very, very similar. You have to do the exact same things, same artwork. You can upload artworks and they'll print that artwork on different products and sell them, and it's basically the exact same thing. But the only difference is that you don't need a PayPal account to verify on this platform. So that's a little tip from me to you guys. If you're having trouble with Society6, you can just simply use redbubble.com instead. They're exactly the same thing. So yeah guys, that is it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the like button, by subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell. And if you have any questions related to these sites, then let me know in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them as soon as possible. Or if you use other print on demand websites and you think that those are better than this one, then please let me know them in the comment section as well, and I will check them out as well. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care, goodbye.